Can you imagine your life without electricity? No light, no phone, no facility. It will become more difficult. However, there are some areas on this world still not access to electricity. Some far or places like countryside, forest, or mountain are lack of electric generator. Moreover, combustion of petroleum can cause greenhouse gas and lead to climate change. So, we are looking for an alternative energy source, which is renewable and less harmful. One potential source is solar energy. It is clean energy and can fly everywhere. The challenge is how to convert it into usable form by a simple technique. In my research, I work with DSSC, or dye-sensitized solar cell. This is a type of solar cell which has working principle similar to photosynthesis system in plant. The molecule will capture sunlight, generate electron flow, and make electricity. DSSC are more attractive than silicon-based solar cell because it is cheaper, easier to produce, and can work under low light intensity. Unfortunately, synthesized organic dye using in DSSC can cause environmental problems due to their toxicity and hard degradation. In my research, I study pigment from photosynthetic bacteria, which consists of bacterial chlorophyll and carotenoid. These bacteria can be found in water resources where light is available. They produce pigment to absorb light and use as energy source for their growth. The pigment of these bacteria can absorb light both of visible light and near-infrared region. So they can be used as dye sensitizer for current production by DSSC. In my current work, solar cells were made by coating bacterial pigment on semiconductor surface at the anode. Then the counter electrode is combined and filled with liquid electrolyte to make a complete cell. These bacterial dye-synthesized solar cells show an impressive photo to current conversion efficiency at 0.19%, with higher than some other natural dye. Next, how to make it more usable in real life. I plan to connect a series of bacterial dye solar cells with a battery and a light bulb. Thus, we can create a mini solar lighting system for use in rural areas. In daytime, small pigment of bacteria will capture sunlight and transform into bright light at nighttime. Thank you.